It's Sunday, July 15th, 2012. George still won't call about the TV. It started putting through a little signal. I think it's like backfeeding because of the rain or something. This is my TV. He says he's afraid that if he calls service to fix this, that they're going to shut off his other one. But in reality, billing is totally separate. It's not going to open a can of worms, it's all automatic. So, I guess I'll just leave this on. I'm going to work on the car heater core, I think, if I can. This is a nice surprise. This is actually hooked up. What I'm going to do is grind this paintbrush. You can see the ends, that's how far it sticks in that pipe on the cord. I'm going to try to round out the heater core inlet. Oh, here's my odd little tool. Hopefully I can stick it in, twist it around, and round out that heater core, those heater core inlets, so I don't have to remove the heater core. As you saw yesterday, some yahoo had bent them with pliers or something. Man, it's a seriously hot day. It's not quite heat wave weather. It's pretty darn hot. I want this view again. As you can see, I have it, I'm almost straight. Hopefully, this will straight is almost perfect size. Yeah, that's all right, I think. Just screw it in there. I might have to trim it. It's just a touch too tight. There's going to be trial and error, I guess. Okay. Give this one a whirl. Oh, that's pretty darn close. Get a little out of round. Then get some screw clamps. You can tighten the screw clamps on it, then loosen it, and then put it on, and then that should be good, actually. Yeah, this hose here looks pretty darn good, actually. That other one, that one's almost new. Looks like a year old. And this one in the back here, this one actually looks pretty good too. I don't think it's a hose issue. This is like almost impossible to get at to get it off. I have to get underneath the motor. Pull it off. I don't know if it's worth replacing these. These look actually pretty good.